Maddie. Very brief intro. Just enjoy the video. So here's the doorway, and you enter, and you're greeted with a fairy portrait that I got at TJ Maxx. I wasn't planning on buying it, but when I saw it, I just had to get it. Like, look how gorgeous it is. And it's huge. Like, look at my hand. Look how big it is. It's really big. It's held up with command strips. Then here is my shoe bin. Those are like the shoes I wear. As you can tell, I wear mostly black and white shoes. And then here is my little purse rack. This from a thrift store. This from a thrift store. This was from when I went to Hong Kong. This is from an art market. My dad got it with a hat and he gave it to me. This was from, like, I don't know, somewhere in America, but it's obviously from China originally. And then this one, my friend gave it to me. She got it from a thrift. Moving on, this is where I kind of hang up things. It's very convenient. This is like with my student ID and everything, and my room key, and then my umbrella, my car keys. And then here is this Naruto poster my friend gave me, and a fan I got from Hong Kong, and My Little Pony cards, which I love My Little Pony. So those cards were from Hong Kong. If you want to look a little closer, these are like all my rare cards. I just hung them up because whatever, you know. And then this is just like something I printed on a printer. And then next, I usually put my backpack like here. It's low-key usually like sprawled on the floor with everything, and I definitely need to vacuum this carpet, but this is a carpet I got from a thrift store too, and it was $30, and it's such a nice carpet. I'm sure it's worth a lot more than $30, but I got it for $30. And then here is the window, but it's nighttime, so I usually like shut the blinds at night, but I usually have flowers in there. And this, my roommate, like whoever lived here before left this in the living room, but I thought it was cute, so I put it here because it kind of matches my vibe. So anyways, here's the desk area. I have this open, so I will journal in it after, because I'm trying to get into journaling again. I kind of fell off of it, but I'm trying to do it again. Here has like vitamins. It's for sugar, but it's cute, so I'm putting my vitamins in it. And this really needs a new light bulb. It does not work. It just like exploded or something and stopped working. And this is like a Blythe doll that like is my look-alike, and it's so cute. I got her these things at Hobby Lobby, and it was adorable. I was gonna make like jewelry out of it, and I was like, never mind, I'll just give it to her. And then this is like a gorgeous painting with a frame that I got at a thrift. These are my candles. I just lit this one. It's just smells like roses. This is my fall scented one. But I always like only light them for like 20 minutes, and then I get like overstimulated and I have to turn it off. And I have a teapot in here because I literally make tea every single day, and I will show you later, but I have a tea drawer. This is an adorable cup or mug I got from a thrift store. It's like one of my favorites. And then this is just like, has a matching mug that's not out right now. And it's from Hong Kong. To-do list. Oh my gosh, I'm so busy. But I'll do these two tomorrow when I wake up. This, my computer. Everyone tells me I'm like the only one who's ever organized my stickers. Like everyone, you know, randomly puts it, but I just love like organizing my stickers, and I think it's so fun. Next, here is my tea station. These are dried flowers. This is my tea kettle, and it's always busy, always brewing. These are like, I just thought this would be like a cool decoration, with like a fan of cards. And I put this together freshman year of high school, and it's just, anytime I move somewhere, I take it off the wall, stick it back on somewhere else. These are always up. I do change out wall decorations occasionally, you know, as my taste changes, but these are always up. This is a painting I made like on Monday at a Buddhist club, and we were just painting and drinking hot chocolate. It was so fun, and I made this butterfly. And here is green tea. Don't think I need to show you. Oh, by the way, I don't know if you got a good look at these prints, but these are literally like, I saw an ad for free prints. They weren't kidding. These actually came in for free. Oh shoot. Ah, that almost fell. Yeah, this was something my friend gave me, but I remember in 3rd grade there was like a magician who came in and gave her that card, and I was like really jealous of her, so she gave it to me for my birthday. But anyways, next, let's show you these. What's in these drawers? This is all just like, I just throw in any books or anything that I don't want on my desk. And it's kind of fun, but this is what I'm showing you. It is my tea drawer. Not supposed to have that. Oh. Yeah, see, all my teas are in here. I love tea so much. I'll have to give you a tea tour sometime. Anyways, next, this is basically, like, these are my nice perfumes. They smell really good. This is like a Melanie Martinez dupe. Because I didn't want to buy her actual perfume because I don't support her anymore, but I do want to try the perfume, so I did try it, and it does smell good, but it's not from her, you know, it's just like a dupe. Can't open this right now, but it has a ring. These are some Calico Critters I have. These are some dolls I got from the thrift store, both separate times. I got this one first, this one next, and yeah, very cute. Moving on, this I got recently at a thrift too. Has some jewelry. You know, I'm trying to go fast because this is just a very brief room tour. I can give a more extended tour another time. These are all my necklaces. I have a lot, but I love them. This one is like one of my favorites. I don't know, I have so many favorites. This I got recently at a consignment store. Adorable lamp. This is very fancy perfume oil and it smells yummy. Just my makeup brushes. Anyways, next, I painted this fan. That is part of the free prints. I painted this. Printed myself. My friend printed for me for free. This came with like a pack of, or actually this literally came with the tapestry right here. This tapestry, it's really cute. Moving on, my bed. This is like my second favorite area of my room. I'm showing you my favorite last because it's like saving the best for last, you know. So I can just name you the ones I have named. I literally only named like 2 stuffed animals. This one's Pooh. This isn't even named, but it's just a name for it. I literally just don't name them, but that one's Bao, the little bear's Bao. This is like a little DIY, it's not a tapestry. I forgot the name of it, but I don't want to like keep you guys. You probably know what it's called. Canopy, right. I'm planning to buy more curtains and add them on the ceiling, and then so they drape down and it's actually a real canopy, but for now it's like a fake one. But I added the vines and the lights on top of the lace curtains, and I think it looks so cute. That one is at the school's like annual poster sale. It's just, I like Lana Del Rey. She's like my favorite singer right now. That one I printed myself from FedEx. You guys saw that video. Yeah, I don't really need to explain all the prints, but yeah. Here is very cute. A lot of very cute little figurines that I have collected over the years. These are some dried flowers that are really pretty. And yeah, pretty much it. That's a very cool lamp. I'm thinking I want to decorate it with lace though. It's kind of boring. I want to make it like lacy, so it's like textured. This I made myself with like some bugs I found by a pool. So they were already dead, so don't worry. Anyways, here I keep my daily vitamins in here and stuff. I need to replace my phone glass thing. That's why I put it in there so I'd remember. And then these are like a lot of books. I've read 3 books so far this semester. I want to read more. This is sketching. I want to finish the sketch I made. I can give you like a sketchbook tour of my other sketchbooks when I get them. Anyways, here's my favorite part of my room. Absolutely gorgeous. These are my Kit Kat cocks. I love them so much. This one, it still works, but it needs the battery change. This one's broken. I'm so sad about it, but just keeping them both like not moving just makes them equal, because I didn't like how this one was moving and this one wasn't moving because she couldn't move because she broke, because she fell last year, and I'm so sad. But anyways, this is the free print. This is a card from my grandma. She wrote me for one of my birthdays. And yeah, printed that from FedEx. This from FedEx. This from FedEx. And here's ballet shoes. I used to do ballet, by the way. Gorgeous. And now here, these are wings I painted for a fashion show. I can show you the picture here. But yes, very gorgeous. They make a very cool wall decoration, and I'm thinking of selling them as a small business if more people would be interested. And yeah, this I got at like a famous like puppeteer thing. I forgot the name though, sorry. FedEx, the free prints. This is the sketch I drew for my very first fashion show. And yes, this is just a very cool painting from the Renaissance that I really like, and it's a huge poster. And yeah, that's about it. That's my room, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. More to come soon, but comment down below what you'd like to see.